What looks good today? Woof, woof. Excellent choice, Lulu. These will be perfect.
Time to swim. Who's ready for a splashdown?